Your immune system isn't built in a pharmacy, it's built in the kitchen. In 2025, the most powerful way to protect yourself from sickness is through functional foods. Today, I'll share the top immune boosting foods you should be eating right now, including one that might even surprise you. I'm Dr. Scott, I'm a functional medicine doctor, and my mission is to help you use food as medicine. When we talk about immunity, most people think of vitamin C tablets or over-the-counter supplements. But the truth is, real immune strength starts with the food you put on your plate every single day. Number one, fermented foods, the gut protectors. Did you know that 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and miso help replenish good bacteria and balance your microbiome. A healthy gut equals stronger immune defense. Number two, citrus fruits, the vitamin C heroes. Yes, oranges and grapefruits, they still matter. Vitamin C supports the production of white blood cells, which are your body's front line against infection. Fresh fruit beats processed juice every time. Number three, garlic, the natural shield. Garlic contains allicin, a compound shown to boost your immune response and fight bacteria and viruses. Regular use in your cooking can make a noticeable difference in how often you get sick. Mushrooms, the immune modulators. Varieties like shiitake and maitake contain beta-glucans that activate your immune cells. Think of them as little trainers that keep your immune system alert and ready. Green tea, the antioxidant power drink. Green tea is packed with catechins, antioxidants that not only fight free radicals, but also improve immune efficiency. A daily cup can support both immunity and metabolism. Zinc-rich foods. These are your repair agents. Foods like pumpkin seeds, lentils, and chickpeas. They provide zinc, which helps your immune system develop T cells, which are critical for fighting infections. Turmeric and black pepper, the inflammation fighters. Turmeric's curcumin reduces inflammation, but it's absorbed a little bit better when it's combined with black pepper. Together, they strengthen your immune response and protect long-term health. Number eight, the surprise food that everyone has been waiting for, dark chocolate. Here's one you may not expect. Dark chocolate in moderation. The flavonoids in the cocoa boost immunity and lower inflammation. The key is quality. Look for 70% or higher cocoa content. Building a resilient immune system isn't about chasing the latest supplement or waiting until you get sick. It's about what you do daily, how you fuel your body. Fermented foods, citrus, mushroom, even a little bit of dark chocolate. These are all simple, functional foods that keep your immune system sharp in 2025 and beyond. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one in the series, where I dive deep into ancient grains and other nutritional powerhouses that are making a big comeback. Also, check the link in the description. I've included a free immune boosting grocery list that you can take straight to the store.